You go now, fellas. Here we go with something really unusual. Maybe original. Strange Nature. They've made a gin, but it's only with Sauvignon Blanc grapes from New Zealand. It's really unusual. Distilled from New Zealand, Sauvignon Blanc grapes, 44%, 1 litre. This was our duty-free coming back, so it's a litre bottle. And as you can see, we've already had most of it. But I thought I'd just share the taste with you guys. It's really strange natured. Cheers. Straight up, it's just this explosion of botanicals. Well, it carried pretty well. I'm just putting a drop of fever tree tonic in that. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, wow. They do recommend that. And maybe a little squeeze of lemon. I don't think it needs a lemon. I've had it a few times with the lemon. I've had it with a few different things. But yeah, just with the fever tree, that's pretty bloody good. Coles have got that on a special at the moment. Bit expensive for a small bottle, $3 something. But anyway, they recommended it. I had to do it. Great bottle, really unusual. So what do they say? Anything else? Not really. A true grape-based spirit distilled with juniper. There you go, only juniper. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, only one. Try it out if you're adventurous. I reckon it's pretty good. Not cheap. I think in the shop it's like $100 a bottle, roughly. But anyway, then look around. Duty free though, 2 for 130. That one and a whiskey. That was delicious too. So yep, well worth it. Go overseas, get a bottle of duty free. I'll go to Japan and buy a shitload of their bottles off the shelf out of the donkey shop, Don Quixote. You spend like, I don't know, probably a couple $100. Not even $100. You'll come home with like $500 worth of grog. It's amazing. So 2 of you go, coming home with $1,000 worth of grog over here. And it's cost you $200. It's a fucking giggle. Alright guys, I'll leave you with that one. The Strange Nature gin from New Zealand. Really different.